Hi everybody. Hi YouTube. Well, today we're going to try to take off front and rear wheels. We're ready for some sticky rubber, and let's go for it. There you go. Alright, well, let's take this block out and push this forward over there. Okay, seems like there's a spacer here. And that's it, I think. Do I even need to take this out? Okay, let's try moving this. It doesn't work. Right? That way should be okay. Yep, that's how you do it, like that. Alright, here's the front key. Hopefully I have one that fits. Nope. Gotta go buy one. Alright, let's see if this fits. Alright, fits well. Good job. Okay. Alright, so we got a little bit of situation, not really direct hit, but you could just move this thing a little bit, then you could be able to access it. Like that. Okay, let me take these off. A little more torque. There you go. Okay, this one too. Wow, green Loctite, huh? Okay, so we unscrew this. It's a cap. So I kind of loosen everything here and then see. So once you loosen everything here, go ahead and push it like that. You should be able to get it. And right here, like that. Well, my little stand has one of these things, kind of hangs over there. And roll it out. Make sure these are going to be here. A side note, turns out that these are the spacers on this side. Okay, and this was on the non-ABS side. The ABS side has one of these little things. Put this back a little bit. There you go. So dangle a little bit. That's it.